It's Joe from the Ellicottville Villas. I took the 5-minute ride to come up to Holiday Valley from the villas. Let's go for a lift. Hi everybody, I made it. I'm at the top of Tannenbaum here at Holiday Valley. Right behind me, Spruce Lake. Isn't it breathtaking? Beautiful scenery up here. It's amazing. October 13th, noon to 4 p.m. is our open house at the Ellicott Villas. Come on down to Ellicottville, check out Holiday Valley, all the beautiful scenery that's going on. Stop here before or after our open house. Stop at EBC, stop at Steelbound, stop at Dina's. Some beautiful couple months coming up here at Holiday Valley and Ellicottville. Come down, check it out. We'll see you soon.